आज का टॉपिक है हमारा लोकली कनेक्टेड स्पेस। लोकली कनेक्टेड स्पेस क्या होता है, इसके बारे में, इसकी डिफिनेशन के बारे में आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे। अ टोपोलॉजिकल space X is said to be topological space said to be a locally connected at a point X if every open neighborhood of X contains a connected neighborhood of X, that is if the collection of all connected open neighborhood of X from a local base of X, the space X is said to be locally connected if H is locally connected at each of its points. That means a topological space X is said to be locally connected at a point X if every open neighborhood of X contain a connected neighborhood of X. That is, if the collection of all connected open neighborhood of X from local base of X, the space X is said to be locally connected if some H locally connected at each of its point. Further, we take an example. Every discrete topological space is locally connected. We prove that. Let XD be the discrete topological space and let X belongs to capital X. Let G be any open neighborhood of x if, but we know that we know that singleton set is connected set and also सिंगलटन सेट जो होता है वो कनेक्टेड भी होता है और यह क्या होता है, ओपन भी होता है. आल्सो इट इज ओपन अगेन x belong to G implies that x the subset of G. At each point of x at each point of x and for every open neighborhood of x there exists a connected open subset contained in the open neighborhood of x. So x is locally connected. Every discrete topological is a connected, locally connected. Let xd a topological discrete topological space. Let x is belong to capital X. We know that singleton set is also connected and also open. So x will belong to G and the subset of G at least at each point of x every open neighborhood of x there is a connected open subset contains in the open neighborhood of x. So x is locally connected.